Guys, it's your boy Sean here. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's get into it. So guys, today, you might be thinking, why do you have a basketball? Well guys, today, this basketball it barely even makes any sound. Look. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it barely even makes any sounds. Compare this to this. And guys, get this. So if you want to play basketball inside the house, your parents won't get mad because this doesn't make any sound. And watch this, guys. It doesn't make any sound on the wall either. Guys, I'm telling you, get this ball. It's so crazy. And also, guys, you can play soccer with this. I know you guys might be crazy. This is a basketball. How are you supposed to play soccer with it? Well, watch this. I'll play soccer now, not basketball. I know I'm not making a basketball video because this is actually cool. All right, ready? I'm about to kick it. See, guys, you can actually use it as a soccer ball. But, guys, you cannot use this as a soccer ball. Don't. It will hurt your foot. I'm promising you. So, guys, get this. See, look. And you can make actually good shots with this. I never shot a hoop in this before, but, sorry guys, I'm just thinking about something. Cause this feels like you can make like 1,000,000 shots with this. I'm not saying you can make 1,000,000 shots. I'm saying it feels like you can make 1,000,000 shots with this. So guys, get this today. It's on Amazon. I think it's like, I don't know. How like $20? Yeah, $20 maybe. I think it's like $20. About $20. Well guys, get this today. Cause this is so cool. Ew, and no, also most crazy part, this can come right back to you. Look. Alright. Hold on. Look. So I'm gonna throw it off of there. And it's gonna come right back to me. Watch this. Right back. It doesn't even have to move. Like, look. Well, that went over my head. But guys, get that basketball today. I guess we're gonna wrap it up for the day. All right, peace out, King. Letting mess. Let's go. Yeah.